my friends, wonderful to see you again. Glad you could stop by, and I really appreciate it. And today's video is going to be all about the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Eye and Face Palette. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, great to have you. I really appreciate it. And you know what? I'd really like it if you do a subscribe, like, and hit the little bell below so you'll be notified for future videos. So this is going to be a try-on tutorial. This is a really cute palette, and you know, if you want to see how I got this look, stick around. So let's talk about this palette and we'll get right into it. As I said, this is a wet dry palette, so you can use your brush wet or dry to get more intense color, or you can use it softer. This is a nice metallic kind of palette, and open it up, really nice magnetic closure, and it has the kisses that which are you know, kissing right here, so that's really adorable, and that's signature of the sweet peach kind of line and Too Faced. So let's open this guy up, and here is the palette. Look at those ginormous pans. I think this is just incredible. And then it has a nice, you know, mirror up here. So let's do some swatches. As I said, there's 4 colors here and here. It is infused with peach and sweet fig milk. And it smells just divine. It's not that big smell-orama. It's just a nice soft peach and that little bit of fig in it. So anyways, the first one here is called Peach Pearl. Look at this. Oh, right there. And look at that. Let me see if I can get my hand up there. There's that. So let me put on the back of my hand. Look at that. That's be beautiful as a base and also as a highlighter. Then we have Sugared Peach. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. Let me see if I can get that up there. There we are. And let me do on the back of my hand. Look at that. Oh, and these are soft colors, but you know what? You can make a face, you know, whole face look with this. Then we have Peach Honey right here, which is really pretty. That you can use as a bronzer. It's right on my middle finger. And right there. Oh, look at that. That is nice. And then the last but not least is Sugared Peach. And let's give this a whirl. And look at that. That is really pretty. It's on my ring finger right here. And let's go and go woof. Look at that. Those are some really nice colors. And you know what? My monitor is not showing up and giving justice to these colors, but they are really pretty. So let's talk about this and get into it, getting the tutorial. I'm going to be using the Too Faced palette. I'm going to be using the Festival Refresher. I have my my lip color right here from Too Faced. And let's begin this tutorial try-on for the Too Faced Sweet Peach Eye and Face Palette. So I've already got my base makeup on. I don't have my eyebrows or anything like that. I just have my foundation and concealer. So let's go do this. So let's start off with a bronzer, and I'm going to be doing, let's see here, Peach Honey, which is right here. Look at this. Wow. Look at that color right there. So I am going to just kind of do a little swirl. Bloop, 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 bloop. And I am going to do my forehead just a little bit, just to bronze it up, and my cheeks. So just go like that. Put a little bit more on. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's the bronzer. Now I'm going to highlight, and I am going to use Peach Pear, which is, let's see, excuse me, Peach Pearl. And it's this beautiful one right here. And let's just do a little swipe right here, and I'm going to do the top of the cheeks. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, How nice. And I'm going to do the down my nose. And let me do a little bit more. Cupid bow, just enough. I don't want to be going, you know, to the moon and all that, but just a nice little bit. And this is a very beautiful, you know, to use for highlighters, so you don't use too much and you can build up. And this is a Morphe brush right here. And let's see, oh, I think I need a little bit more bronzer. So I'm going to jump into this Peach Honey again. And I'm just going to go a little bit and just build it up. There we are. Next up is I'm going to use Peach Pop, which is right here, which is this gorgeous pink right here. And I'm going to wet my brush, because as I said, this is a wet and dry palette. So I'm going to have my brush. I have some little bit right there of the Festival Refresh Mystical Effects Setting and Replenishing Spray from Too Faced. This has been out there for a while. And so I'm going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to put it on my eyes, my eyelids. So here we go. I'll get a little bit more color. Swirl, swirl. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Let me get some more on there. Let's pack that sucker on. Get that good coverage. Wow, look at that. That is pretty. And just get a little bit more. And there we are. And then I'm going to do, let's see. I'm going to use Sweet Sugar. Excuse me. What is this called? Sugared Peach, excuse me. Sugared Peach, which is this one up here again, right here. This is, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And I am going to put this on my crease and blend. There we are. Gonna bring it up a little. But wow, look at that. And I'm also gonna put this on, use this same brush and put it on the apples of my cheeks. Right there. Just a little, just to give a little color. There we are. So that's what they look like with using this palette for the face, the highlighter, and, you know, doing your, you know, your eyes. So I think this is a great palette. And here's my final look. I put on, you know, some lipstick. I put my eyebrows on, and I heightened up a little bit in the inside of my eyes right here, the inner eye, and put my eyebrows on. So I think this is a fabulous palette. It is ginormous, and you know what? It's brand new out. It's just part of their peach collection, and I think you'll like it too. Let me know below. I think it performed quite well, and look at that. I'm still like in awe of this. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? And look how ginormous those pans are. So anyways, let me know below what your thoughts are. And you know what? You have a fabulous one. Take care.